Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got new fidgets and I'm going to show you them. Okay, first off are my two puppets. A popsicle puppet, it's cute, and my Among Us puppet. It is colored pink and white. I like them, they're super good. And I rate them a 10 out of 10, both of them, because they are so good. Okay, next, my 4 pop tubes. I have a green pop tube, a red pop tube, a yellow pop tube, and a blue pop tube. I like these pop tubes so much, so I gave them a 10 out of 10. Next, my infinity cube. This is a good infinity cube. It's the blue and pink, and I rate this a 7 out of 10. It's so cool. But yeah. Okay. Next, my wacky tracks. I like my wacky tracks because they're so fun to play with, and I like the colors as well. This one is orange and green, and this one is blue and green as well. And I rate these a 8 out of 10 because they're cool, and I like them. Okay, next are my marble and mache. So I have 3 of them. I have this pink one, this yellow one, and this blue one, and I like them. They're pretty good to like play with in your hands. So like I rate them, I guess, a 7 out of 10 because they're pretty good. Okay, next is my dimple digits. This dimple digit is pretty loud on this side, and then this part is the quiet side. I like dimple digits, so I rate this dimple digit a 9 out of 10 because it's really good. Next is these monkey noodles. They are baby size monkey noodles, and they're like so soft, and they're super duper like fun to squish and play with. So I rate them like a 9 out of 10 because they are so stretchy as well. So yeah. Next is my fidget pad. I like this fidget pad. It's color red, and it has this like little joystick or something, and these buttons right here, and then this part, and this little slider, and then this little spiky thing, and then this like spinner thing. I kind of like it, and then like this button that like goes like this side maybe. I like the color and the sounds it makes, so like I give it like an 8 out of 10 because it's super nice. And yeah. Next is my purple bike chain. My purple bike chain is so cool. I like it, but sometimes like it's like hard to play with. But yeah, I rate it like a 5 out of 10 just because like it's kind of hard to play with, you know, sometimes. So yeah. Next, my mochis. And my mochis. I have one more mochi. Okay, so I have 4 mochis. I have this. They're all the same, and they're all cats. And I have this white cat mochi, This is so cute. I like it. And then this pink cat mochi, it's so cute. This is one of my favorites. And then this gray one, also one of my favorites. And this yellow mochi, also one of my favorites. I like them. And so I rate them a 10 out of 10 because they're super soft and squishy and they're super duper cute. Okay, next is my pea popper. I have 2 pea poppers. Yeah, 2 pea poppers right here. And they have faces on them, like the middle and the sides on them. You can see the faces. And they're super cute and they're like fun to like pop the little peas out. But I rate this a 7 actually because they're so cute and I like to like pop them. Like I like to pop the little peas out because the middle one has a face and like the side has like faces too, so I like them. And then I think this is the last fidget, which is my acupressure rings. Yeah, my acupressure rings. So I have golden acupressure rings and white acupressure rings. So yeah, so like what you do with them is like you put them on your like finger and then like you can roll them on your finger and it's like a little spiky and a little cool to like play with your hands. But I don't really recommend them, but I'll give them maybe a 6 because they're actually super like fun to like put on your finger and like do this because it's kind of cool how it feels. But yeah, I like these, but I don't recommend them. And then one last fidget is my DNA ball. This is a very, very good DNA ball. And I like it so much. It's super squishy and it's kind of sticky on the outside, but it's okay. And I rate this actually a 10 out of 10 because it's super duper good. I like squishing it and I like shuffle, so yeah. So that's all for today. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Bye guys!